In this video, you are going to see how to insert custom bullet in Microsoft PowerPoint. As you can see here, let's get started. Here I have the list and I have inserted the bullet over here. You will find various bullet from here. Now if you want to add the custom bullet, go to this option bullet and numbering. You can click on this option customize. You will find various bullet point or the symbol over here. You can choose it from here. Let us choose this one. Click on OK, click on OK. Then this type of bullet will be added. There is another way. Select the text, go to over here, go to bullet and numbering, go to picture. Let us click online picture. Let me write here bullet point and hit enter. Then if you find some bullet in the online, you can use them. Let me choose this one. Click on insert. Then this type of bullet will be added. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.